Learning to edit photos requires us to invest a good chunk of time. But what if I tell you there's a photo editing app that lets you edit your photos like a pro with minimal effort? It might sound too good to be true, but it is possible with Luminar Neo. In this guide, I will guide you through my favorite Luminar Neo features to showcase why this photo editing app might just be the one you need. If you enjoy capturing beautiful landscape photos, you know that sometimes the lighting or the weather can ruin your perfect shot. Well, your photo no longer needs to go to your computer's trash bin thanks to Luminar's Sky Replacement AI feature. Here, we have beautiful photo that I captured. However, since the lighting was not that great, the sky looks a little flat. Luminar gives me two courses of action here. I can use the Sky Enhancer AI to bring some color back. See how I can do this with a simple slider. I don't have to perform any complex tasks like manually selecting the sky and creating a mask. The image is already looking better, but what if I want to make a more dramatic change? I can do that with Luminar Neo's Sky AI replacement tool. You get a selection of over 30 different skies and you can click on any of them to apply it. Again, with a simple click, I have completely changed how the sky looks. You can go for a subtle change or replace the sky with something dramatic altogether. Notice that as I choose different sky option, it's also relighting the scene to match the sky condition. Once you decide on what you want to use, you have the options to fine-tune it. You can adjust the sky position, relight strength, add grain, defocus, and more. And you can make all these adjustments with a simple slider. In photography, it's inevitable that someone or something will ruin your photo. Most photo editing apps comprise an object removal option that somewhat helps with this issue. But what Luminar Neo does is on another level. Here, I have a photo with dozens of people in it. Look what happens when I use the erase tool to remove them from the shot. Is your mind blown yet? As mine surely did. I have just removed dozens of people from the shot without introducing any noticeable artifacts in the photo. Now, I will show you another cool feature of Luminar Erase. Here, I have a photo with a power line in it. I can hit the remove power lines button and it will recognize and remove the power line within seconds. Tell me another photo editing app that can deliver this level of quality for such low effort required from my end. Luminar Neo also offers a suite of editing tools that will help you master your portrait shots. You can relight the scene, introduce background blur, remove noise, and do so much more. For this video, I will show some of the more advanced AI portrait editing features. Here is a portrait shot which is already looking good, but let's see what we can do with it. First, I will introduce a bit more light on the face as it looks slightly dark. Again, we can do that with a simple slider. Now, we will skip the portrait bokeh effect as it's already good in this photo. But if you want to add more background blur to your portrait shots, you can do that from here. Now, using the face editing tools, I can adjust the face proportion, change eye color, remove red eyes, and make all sorts of adjustments. Using the skin slider, I can remove any freckles or wrinkles in the photo. I am exaggerating all these effects in this video so you can see the difference, but when editing a photo, be more careful and apply these effects conservatively to get the best results. Before we move on to the next section, if portrait editing is your primary focus, I recommend exploring Apathy. It specializes in portrait photo editing and provides greater control and more advanced features. Another issue we face when capturing a photo is blur. Sometimes your hand shakes or you are in a moving vehicle and the shots doesn't come out as you want. Luminar Neo has a SuperSharp AI feature that can help you with that. With a single click of the button, Luminar's SuperSharp AI analyzes the photo and does its best to unblur it. It's almost magical. The final result will depend upon the blur amount, but in most cases, I have found the results to be excellent. As the name suggests, GenSwap AI in Luminar Neo allows you to replace objects in photos with generative AI feature. You can add objects or replace visuals with AI-generated content. Here, I have an image of a tree. Let's say I want to add blooming flowers to the tree. I will click the GenSwap AI button and paint over the part I want to change. Now I will add a prompt and wait for the AI to do its magic. As you can see, the tree is now blooming with flowers. I can even replace the flower with the one I want. Of course, the AI is not perfect and the results will depend on the specific prompt you use. In addition to these 5 highlighted features, Luminar Neo offers dozens of other tools that simplify photo editing. Click the link below to download and install the app to try Luminar Neo for yourself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.